How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this absolutely stunning Kawasaki Versys 1000 GT. So this one is a 2021 on a 21 plate. It's a slightly newer shape, so you get the full LED front lights and a nice digital display. It's only done 1,859 miles from new. You get ABS, traction, you also get cruise control on these now. This one's fitted with the TomTom sat nav. It's also got the full 3-box luggage, which is all rackless as well, so you can just slide them off. Really easy to work. It's got the heated grips on there from Oxford. It's got radiator guards, it's got spotlights, you've got some engine protection from Kawasaki as well. But just a really cool bike. They're a hell of a lot of bike for the money. You can go all over the world on these. Fantastic bulletproof engine, just like the Z1000 SX. And that's it, that's the Versys. It's a fantastic bike, it's a hell of a lot of bike for the money. So if you do want to get it bought, you know what to do. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or simply give us a call and get it bought before someone else does. Thank you for looking. Speak to you soon. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.